Alright, so I've gotten pretty good at getting these 3-pin locks without knowing the combination. So I'm gonna do it for you, hopefully on camera. Just one iffy part is getting the combination in and then getting it on the camera so that if I can't get it open, it's there, and then not looking at it. So that you're gonna have to trust me that I'm not gonna look at it, and I'm not either side of it, because even if I saw the other side, then I know the combination. So I'm just not gonna look at it. You're gonna trust me on that part, okay? So yeah. So basically, what I do is I just feel around, and eventually I'll find the combo, which I've done multiple times, multiple locks. So I'm gonna change the combination on this. Hopefully, get a clear picture on the video so that I just like reverse it and get the actual combo. So locked. Alright. So now basically all I had to do is just feel around. So let's bring this down a bit more. Yeah, right there. It's not easy.